Welcome to our channel. Test my English. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. And you can pause the video if you need more time. She decided to set up her own business. He had to turn down the job offer because of the low salary. I need to look up the meaning of this word in the dictionary. Look out for pedestrians while driving in busy areas. It took her a long time to get over the loss of her pet. Please hold on while I transfer your call to the manager. The plane will take off in 30 minutes. I ran into an old friend at the grocery store yesterday. He decided to give up smoking. The soccer match was called off due to bad weather.